Hazrat Abu Umama bin Sahal bin Hunayf has reported from Hazrat Abu Sayyid Khudri radiyallahu anhu, when the residents of Qurayza climbed down at the behest of Hazrat Sa'ad bin Mu'az radiyallahu anhu, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam summoned him when he had come. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Stand up for the respect of your chief," or said, "For the best of you." He sat beside the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "These people, the Jews, have come down seeking your decision." He said, "I then decide to kill the combatants amongst them and hold their children as captives." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "You have given the decision what Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has commanded the angels." Imam Bukhari rahmatullah alayhi says, "Some of my companions with reference to Abul Walid have told Allah hukmika in place of illa hukmika in Hazrat Abu Sayyid's statement." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6262.